The upcoming episode of Ishq Jununi is going to leave every viewer speechless. A storm is about to hit the Chaudhary family, hidden intentions are slowly coming to light, and relationships will be tested like never before. Every scene in this episode is filled with suspense, emotion, and unexpected twists that will keep fans glued to their screens until the very end. The biggest question now is simple, but the answer could change everything. Is Tejasvi truly trying to save the Chaudhary family, or is she secretly using this crisis to achieve her own selfish goals? And most importantly, will Ruhani finally uncover the truth that everyone has been waiting for? The episode begins with complete chaos outside the Chaudhary mansion. A team of bank officials arrives with the police, creating an atmosphere of fear throughout the house. Their unexpected arrival shocks every family member. Nobody understands why the authorities have suddenly come to the mansion, and everyone begins worrying about what could happen next. Within moments, the officers start searching the house. Every room is carefully inspected, and every member of the family watches helplessly. The peaceful atmosphere inside the mansion disappears completely, replaced by tension and uncertainty. As the investigation continues, the situation becomes even more serious. Suspicion begins to fall on Guru. The officers prepare to take him into custody, believing that he may somehow be connected to the case. The entire family is left speechless. Some family members immediately try to defend Guru because they know his character. Others are too frightened to react, while a few silently wonder whether someone has trapped him in a carefully planned conspiracy. Just when it seems that everything is falling apart, the story takes a shocking turn. Tejasvi suddenly steps forward. With complete confidence, she announces that she is willing to settle the entire financial dispute. Her unexpected decision surprises everyone present. For a brief moment, it appears as though she has become the family's greatest supporter. But her generosity comes with a condition that leaves everyone stunned. She demands complete ownership of the Chaudhary family's property in return. The entire mansion falls silent. No one can believe what they have just heard. Some family members think she is making a huge sacrifice to protect the family's honor. Others immediately begin questioning her real intentions. Was this simply an act of kindness, or had she been waiting for exactly this opportunity all along? The expressions on everyone's faces reveal confusion, disbelief, and growing suspicion. Meanwhile, another emotional moment unfolds. Ruhani finally arrives at the mansion. The moment she notices the police vehicles outside, fear takes over. Countless thoughts begin racing through her mind. Without wasting a second, she rushes inside, desperately searching for Guru. When she finally sees him, she runs straight toward him and embraces him tightly. Her eyes fill with tears as she anxiously asks whether he is safe. She cannot understand why he left the religious ceremony and returned home without telling anyone. Guru gently comforts her. With complete calmness, he explains that while she was fulfilling her responsibility, he had to fulfill his own responsibility here. His quiet confidence instantly reassures Ruhani. Their emotional conversation reminds everyone that true relationships are built on trust, loyalty, and sacrifice rather than wealth or power. But peace lasts only for a few moments. Tejasvi notices the priceless necklace in Ruhani's hands. A sarcastic smile appears on her face as she picks it up and begins mocking Ruhani in front of everyone. She comments that only someone with extraordinary luck could ever wear such a valuable necklace. Her words immediately create another wave of tension. Before anyone can respond, Mami joins the conversation. Instead of calming the situation, she makes it even more uncomfortable. She sarcastically compares Ruhani's fortune with her own, suggesting that some people receive priceless gifts while others spend their entire lives waiting for even a small gesture of appreciation. Her comments make the atmosphere inside the mansion even heavier. At that moment, Gautam Singh confidently tells Tejasvi to give the necklace to Ruhani. Everyone expects Guru to remain silent. Instead, he does something that completely changes the mood of the entire gathering. Guru calmly takes the necklace from Tejasvi's hands. For a few seconds, everyone believes he has accepted the expensive gift. But instead of placing it around Ruhani's neck, Guru quietly returns it to Gautam Singh. The entire room becomes silent. Looking directly into Gautam Singh's eyes, Guru delivers a powerful message. He says that anything earned through dishonesty can never become a symbol of love or respect. According to him, even the smallest gift earned through honesty, hard work, and self-respect is worth far more than the most expensive treasure. His words strike everyone deeply. For the first time, Gautam Singh has no reply. Tejasvi's confident smile disappears instantly. Their plan to impress the family completely fails because Guru refuses to compromise his principles. His honesty earns everyone's respect. As silence fills the mansion, Ruhani quietly observes everything happening around her. She carefully notices every reaction, every expression, and every conversation. It seems she is slowly beginning to understand that this entire situation is far more complicated than it appears. Someone is hiding an important truth. Someone is desperately trying to manipulate the entire family. And someone is determined to protect that secret at any cost. The biggest mystery still remains unanswered. Who is truly behind this conspiracy? Is Guru being framed by someone who wants to destroy his reputation? Has Tejasvi been planning this move from the very beginning? What role is Gautam Singh secretly playing behind the scenes? And will Ruhani become the one person brave enough to expose the truth before it is too late? The upcoming episodes promise powerful emotional scenes, unexpected betrayals, shocking revelations, and intense confrontations that could completely change the future of the Chaudhary family. One truth has the power to destroy every lie. One decision can change every relationship. And one mistake could cost someone everything. Fans are now eagerly waiting to see whether truth will finally defeat deception or whether another dangerous conspiracy will push the family into even greater trouble. What do you think will happen next? Will Ruhani uncover the hidden truth? Will Guru succeed in protecting his family and proving his innocence? Or will Tejasvi's dangerous plan bring the entire Chaudhary family under her control? Share your predictions in the comments below because we'd love to hear your opinion. If you enjoyed this episode review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another exciting update from Ishq Junooni. Thank you so much for watching. We'll be back very soon with another thrilling episode review.